western Missouri, we've had quite a bit of storm activity blossoming up there. We continue to see some heavy thunderstorms around Crooksville, Missouri, and Columbia, Missouri, down to the Springfield, Missouri area. Report of a tornado, too, in Plainview, Texas. This area has been barred over the past several days with severe thunderstorms, and we'll show you more about what's to come tonight with this watch area. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, covering the Panhandle, taking you southward into Texas. Another watch area for Kansas. That until 11 p.m. local time. The next severe thunderstorm watch includes northwestern sections of Arkansas up through parts of Missouri until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Of course, the watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms in the area where you see the yellow. This watch, including parts of Pennsylvania eastward until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. All this area in red and up here to the east, this is where we look to see severe storms to develop tonight. And in the orange color, strong storms are a very good possibility. A lot of warm, moist air across the Southland, and this is part of the reason we've got the very active weather, almost like summertime thunderstorms popping up in some of those locations. And of course, we have this frontal boundary slowly but surely creeping across to the east, and just ahead of that, we're seeing some strong storms pop up throughout Missouri and down into Texas as well. Of course, we've seen quite a bit of rain with all of this activity across the South. Mississippi certainly has been one of those states to receive their fair share of rain, and as a result, they're having some flooding problems. This morning's weather pattern across the state was like a summertime preview. After some fog and clouds dissipated, the sun came just shining through, but for only a short period. Across North Mississippi, temperatures were in the 70s and 80s this morning and climbed to the upper 80s this afternoon. The heat and humidity caused some scattered thunderstorms in the northeast Mississippi area this evening, making the flooding problems even worse. That's affecting crops there and also their fish industry in Mississippi. We had some warmth across the country today. Look at some of these record high temperatures. Williamsport, Pennsylvania, up to 90 degrees, tying a record. Toledo, Ohio, with 89 degrees. And here are those temperatures around the country for you. You can see all those warm temperatures riding up to the plains and the upper Midwest as well. Let's take another look at what's going on with our satellite photograph. Here's all your moisture throughout the southeast, and you see the storms popping up right into parts of Mississippi over into Alabama. Georgia and South Carolina also seeing some storms too, and the same goes for central sections of Florida. Really getting pelted around Avon Park this evening, and also the Vero Beach area in Fort Myers too. And of course, those storms that are blossoming throughout the panhandle of Texas as well. Radar shows us where the flashing lights are and lets you know where we have the heaviest thunderstorm activity, and you can see that down through Missouri, stretching through northeastern Mississippi, Columbia, Mississippi, right on down to Crestview, Florida at this hour. Let's put the jet stream into motion. Jet stream will let us know.
Intensity is indicated by the color code at the top of the screen.